Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to start dropshipping with AliExpress. In the AliExpress application, you want to search for products with good reviews, low prices, reliable sellers, and fast shipping. And basically these products will be the base for your shop. And I highly recommend you to save the links or photos of the products that you want to resell. So next, you should create a store using external platforms. For example, I would recommend TikTok Shop. It is highly developing right now. Also, Instagram Shop, and it could be Amazon, whatever that suits you the best. And then you want to upload product photos that you have saved earlier, write description for your items, and set your price higher than what you will pay on AliExpress so that you can earn some profit. And when someone places an order in your shop, go back to AliExpress, buy the product, and enter your customer's name and shipping address. And the seller on AliExpress will ship the product directly to your customer. The best thing about the dropshipping on AliExpress is that you don't need to hold any inventory, and that is very convenient. All you need to do is provide your customer tracking information and answer questions as soon as possible. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.